You know, Christmas was made for the children. Destiny's children. G, Christmas. Destiny's child. Say what?
8th day of Christmas, my baby gave to me a pair of Chloe shades and a diamond belly ring. On the 7th day of Christmas, my baby gave to me a nice back rub, then he massaged my feet. On the 6th day of Christmas, my baby gave to me a crop jacket with dirty denim jeans. On the 5th day of Christmas, my baby gave to me the poem that he wrote for me. Feeling that it feels so good, he makes me feel so in love. If he only knew what he does to me, my man, my man.